So I'm ready to put in the console and the passenger side seat. Right now I've got the driver's side seat in, and the driver's side seat in, and we're going to clean it up a little bit and make it look really nice. And I'll give you some video on how I actually put that in the console anyway. Now what I did was I replaced all this carpeting here in the back with the carpet kit. It was about 50 bucks. I got alongside the regular carpet so I could do it all at the same time. The console took a little bit more because I had to clean off all the old stuff. I had old adhesive from the carpet. It was all a big mess. But now it's all cleaned up. Putting some of this on to make it look good. We're going to go ahead and put this bad boy back in. And then after that, just going to fix it up, open up the box and clean out in there too. So this is lined up about right. We're not going to see this because the seat's going to be in the way, but I think overall it's going to look pretty good in this place. Clean off some little right here. Let me get the screws for it. Another thing is there's a wiring harness for the lights. This light is for the gears, which gears it is, and these are the courtesy lights right here. When I got it back, they didn't give me the screws back for it, so I had to get a self-tapping screw, put it in there for the ground, and it should be ready to go now. So I'm going to hook it all up and get it in there and show you the finished product here in a second. Now, mind you, this is backwards. This goes in like this. I'm going to take the light here and just put it right into where the light goes, which is, when you look at this, the light goes right here. Took a little bit of finagling, but I got it. It's in. So you take your other screws here. Altogether it's like 6 screws. There's base screws. And then there's these screws, which I'll show you here in a second. There's these screws that hold this down. There's these screws that are base screws. There's 2 more under here that hold the whole console in. And it wasn't that difficult. This is actually a pretty easy job. I was surprised. Console's in, shifter's in. I think it looks pretty good. I need to adjust the door in that glove box, though. It's terrible. But I'll get to that as soon as I get the next seat in. So I'm going to vacuum out a little bit of stuff in here, and then put the next seat in, clean that up, and we'll go from there and show you what we do. Console's in, front seats are in, back seats in, carpet looks good. What you think? I got to replace that hand guard. I got the hand rest. I got 2 of them, but I'm going to replace. I got that to replace yet. But I got on the way. I've got those bases to go too. Those will be here soon enough. I think they're being delivered today, so maybe just take some pictures. But yeah, look at that. Doesn't it look beautiful? Just incredible. Wow. God, I haven't seen it look this good in years. At this point, I'm polishing the door release handles that go on the armrests. I used some, it was like a 3M door or metal polish, all-purpose metal polish. The job turned out pretty good. I was pretty satisfied with how they looked, and this is another part that I don't have to buy. The rest of it, though, I had to replace the armrests. That was actually a Christmas gift from a couple years ago. But the bases I had to replace. Doesn't it look all nice and shiny? I mean, it's not perfect. It's got little scratches and dings in it, you know, from 50 plus years of usage. But it looks pretty good to me, you know. I mean, it went from looking very bad to looking very shiny. And I just used polishing wheels that I bought off Amazon. They're kind of cheap. They did the job. Now placing on, you see the old base and the new base. New base looks way better. I tried to fix the old bases, but there's no really good paint out there for them. It just looks really bad. And I painted over it, and I tried to strip the paint off of it with like a paint remover, and it turned that plastic into like a gum consistency. It was not good. So I got these new bases. I figured, why the hell not? I've only spent tens of thousands of dollars on this car. What's another $50 for a couple of bases? Like I said, I want to keep everything original, but if it doesn't look really, really good and there's no fixing it, then I'm just going to go with something different. So with these, I got them off Summit, and they are beautiful. They're absolutely beautiful. So once the bases were in place, I got the new armrest pads, and they really popped. They really look good on there, as you'll see here in a minute. One of them was just in really bad shape, and I had to have it replaced because it was held on with electrical tape that was every bit of at least 30, 40 years old. That electrical tape was on there as long as I can remember. So then tighten up the screws a little bit. That upper door panel, I found little metal catches for it. and was able to put it back on and clean it up. It's missing a little piece of leather on the side, but it's not a deal breaker for me. Cleaned it up, shined it up, and it looks fantastic back on there. Just cleaning up a little bit, and I'll show you what we got with the other one. The driver's side looks horrible. Alright, this is the old driver's side armrest, and it's beyond help. And as long as I can remember, that electrical tape's been there. But here's the old base. I'm not even going to try to fix it. It's just, I tried on others. It doesn't work well. So I just replaced it. So I got this self-adhesive fabric off Amazon to cover up the holes from the 3-inch speakers, and it doesn't adhere really well at all. I used spray-on adhesive. That didn't work either with it. There's a hole right there. I'm gonna have to eventually get new panels, new lower panels, because that just looks like shit, and I can't fix it. So I thought this would be a temporary fix. It would work out well. It's not working out well at all, and I'm sure the hotter it gets outside, the worse it's gonna peel off. But look at that armrest. Doesn't it look good? Brand new armrest, brand new base. Shined up the clip latch. I think it looks good. So this is the after. See the armrest off in the background there. Looks pretty damn good to me. Everything's shined up. The seats are in. The console's in. Everything looks good. What do you think?